Hi lovelies, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to make multi-purpose liquid soap. This soap, you can use it for your cleaning, you can use it for your dishwashing, you can use it for clothes washing and so many things. Let me quickly show you the ingredients I am using. One thing about this soap I'm making is that you can actually monetize it. After learning it, you can use it for business. You do it in large quantity and then you can sell to people. So these are some of the ingredients. So this is my nitrous oil. I wrote it down so I can remember. Then this is caustic soda. This is hexapon. This is sulfonic. This is rice. This is foam booster. It will make it foam very well. SCPP. This is soda ash. And I have my perfume and different colors. So that's everything you'll be needing to make this multi-purpose liquid soap plus your water. So let's get right into it. For this soap, I'm making 50 liters of the multi-purpose soap. So I'm going to add my nitrous oil first. So firstly, I'm going to be dissolving my nitrous oil in my 30 liters of water because I'm making 50 liters. So I would bring out 30 liters and dissolve my nitrous oil. So you pour in gradually and stir. You can use your max. Now I want to dissolve my hexapon and sulfonic in 10 liters of water. I'm going to add my hexapon. So now I'm going to dissolve my caustic soda in 2 liters of water. So I'm going to add my dissolved caustic soda into my nitrous oil mixture. My nitrous oil mixture was the first thing I dissolved. So I'm adding it together. So when I added my caustic mixture to my nitrous oil mixture, the liquid started getting thicker. So it's more like the caustic soda makes it a bit thicker, so you need to dissolve very well, if not to have lumps. The more you leave it, the more thicker it gets. To dissolve my SCPP in 6 liters of water. So now I want to add my hexapon and sulfonic mixture into my base. Oh yeah, gently, oh, small small. If not, so I just finished adding my soda ash, which is the sixth ingredient or solvent. So I want to add my fragrance. It's late already. I just hope this video is going to be clear. So I have lemon fragrance. You can add any fragrance of your choice, strawberry and the rest of them. So this is it. This is not easy at all. If you have a hand mixer, the big one, you can use it if you are doing it for commercial purpose, or you get a longer stick. So this is it. I'm done mixing all the solvents. The only thing remaining is my perfume and color, but this is foaming so much, so I will have to leave it till tomorrow morning so it settles well. The foaming is going to settle before I add my perfume and color. I have two color actually. So this is what our soap looks like before adding the color. I actually left it for some hours, then I am adding my color. I'll divide it into two batches. I want to do two different colors, So I'll just scoop some into this bowl before I add my colors. I was trying to check which colors. See my hand. You can use gloves, but the colors are not harmful, but you can use glove, or you use your hand after you use your soap and wash it off. This is what our soap looks like after leaving it for close to 6 hours to settle before adding our color. Yeah. This is my orange color, this is my green color. It's supposed to be in powder form. I don't know how water touched it and it's looking like this. Even this one was in powder form, but I had to pour it here and infuse water into it so that it can easily blend in when I pour. So if you, whenever you want to add your color, just use a little water to dissolve it before pouring it in. So I think I'm going to do green here, orange here,